শুধু ভয়ের জিনিস আমার সাথে হয় না, ঠিক আছে? karma is a bitch.
Shomik didn't crash. I was really hoping he will crash and I'll be able to shoot a nice video out of it. So as you have seen in the beginning of the video, I went out for a football match in the morning today. So today is the 16th of August, Sunday, and I wanted to make a video on the 15th of August. I wanted to make a special video on Independence Day, but then it was raining real bad and I couldn't go out and I was not in the mood to make a video from home. So that is why I couldn't upload a video on a Sunday. So right now it's 4:30 in the afternoon and I'm going out for a ride with Shomik and Abhishek. Also, I'm really happy. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people around the world is happy right now because football is back in our life. Just not your life and my life. Football is back in everyone's life because UCL nights are back. I can totally guarantee that, the UCL finals are going to be real competitive. Although Bayern Munich has won against Chelsea and Barcelona with a huge margin, but then whoever is facing them in the finals, they are going to give them a tough time. Also, I'm wearing a Barcelona jersey, not because I am a Barcelona fan, but because I really like the color of this jersey. It looks really nice and it has got this, colorful vibe to it. So it's better if I just go out right now because Shomik and Abhishek, they are already waiting in Patuli for me and they are waiting for the past 10 minutes already. So let's not get late anymore and let's see you directly outside. Totally blue skies out here and for the past 2 days it has been raining. So for a change it's really nice to see clear blue skies. Today, I really wanted today's ride to be more of a fitness ride, but then I couldn't. I'm not being able to do it because I went out for this football match in the morning and because I played football after a very long time, my legs are really paining bad and it's feeling all cramped up and everything. So rather than making it a fitness ride or going long distances, me and Shomik, we decided that we'll just go someplace nice and spend the Sunday chilling. So let's go and meet Shomik and I'll see you once I meet him. আমরা এখন কোথায় যাব ওটা পুরোটাই সিক্রেট। So I just met with Abhishek and Shomik. We haven't really figured out what the plan will be. So we wanted to go and explore Dhapa trails for a very long time. So we wanted to go to Dhapa trails.
Good luck. কুত্তা দেখলেই চটকাতে ইচ্ছা করে।
চটকে দে ভাই।
ধাপা টেলস। ঠিক আছে, আমরা নতুন জায়গাটা যাব, ওখানটার নাম দেওয়া আছে ধাপা টেলস ভাই।
So we wanted to go and explore Dhapa trails for a very long time, but then I don't think it is going to be possible today because as always it is getting quite late and we don't want to end up in Dhapa trails when it is completely dark out because there are no lights and all and we do not have lights on our bike as well. Shomik looks really fine and
high hopes.
Also Abhishek out here, he's a cycle expert. Like he also started out his own bike maintenance and repairing thing. So if anyone out there who owns a cycle and wants to get something repaired or wants to get it serviced, you can contact directly with Abhishek. I'll put his number in the description below. So we are out for the ride. Look at that cute thing. So right now we are in Mukundapur and we are not going to Dhapa trails today because it's late and we do not want to go there and end up in complete darkness. But there are some nice lakes and berries in this area as well. You know, we have to find it out. He doesn't know the exact place. I do not know the exact place, and Shomik doesn't know anything. So he just follows us wherever we are going. He never spends 1 minute researching about places. He never spends 1 minute doing anything.
আমি নতুন জায়গার নাম দিই, ঠিক আছে? কপাটেল। These are the kidneys of Kolkata.
So Abhishek named the berries as kidneys of Kolkata.
No, I'm telling you the reason behind it.
Yes, please
Just
tell.
because of all the underground waters Kolkata needs.
Okay.
Supplies from these berries and all. Because কলকাতার ম্যাক্সিমাম জায়গাটা এখন কংক্রিটে ভরে গেছে। তো আন্ডারগ্রাউন্ড ওয়াটার যেটা প্রয়োজন, যেটা যাবে, যেটা সোক করবে, সেটার জন্য তো একটা কিছু প্রয়োজন। কংক্রিটের মধ্যে থেকে জল যেতে পারে না, ওয়াটারপ্রুফ ওগুলো তো যাবে কোথা থেকে? তো এই ইস্ট কলকাতা ওয়াটার লাইন যেগুলোকে আমরা বলি, সেখানে ওয়াটার স্টোরেজ হয়, যেগুলো থেকে কলকাতার আন্ডার ওয়াটার যে কী বলবো সাপ্লাই যেটা হয় এখান থেকেই হয়। এটা একটা ন্যাচারাল প্রসেস, যেটা আস্তে আস্তে বিভিন্ন প্রমোটার বা এই ধরনের কমপ্লেক্সগুলো হয়ে কমে যাচ্ছে, স্টিল যেটুকুনি আছে। এবং
বাট আমি তো জানতাম ভেরিতে মাছ চাষ হয়।
ভেরিতে মাছ চাষ হয়, কিন্তু এই ভেরিগুলো কিন্তু তৈরি করেনি। ভেরিগুলো
আচ্ছা, এগুলো ন্যাচারাল।
এগুলো ন্যাচারাল, ভেরিগুলো নতুন করে ডিগ করা হয়নি।
আচ্ছা,
তো এমন কিছুই না যে একটু প্রথম কেউ এসে যে ডিগ করেছে, এগুলো ছিল, এগুলোর উপরই কাজ হচ্ছে। এবং যার জন্য এটাকে কলকাতা ওয়াটার লাইন বলা হয়, ইস্ট কলকাতা ওয়াটার লাইন।
East Kolkata Waterland. I had no idea about this thing. Did you know about this fact about our city? Like, I'm pretty sure a lot of people doesn't know about it, and I'm really hoping that whatever Abhishek has said is legit, because I had no idea about this thing, East Kolkata Waterlands. So we are trying to explore that. We are trying to find that, and hopefully we are going to find that. Okay. So I have been using the tripod mount, but I'll have to switch to my bike mount because I'll need both my hands to ride this bike. So this ride will have a lot of thrill. I'm pretty sure about it. Abhishek is leading the way and there is a lot of mud. Switching to the super view lens right now because this place deserves a super view lens, and because it has a lot of view on both sides. I've got a feeling that Shomik will definitely, mess up today. He is going to mess up. He's already messing up. Oof. All bad things happens with Shomik only. Every single time. He is the reason we couldn't go out on a ride yesterday. he is the reason we are going to fail today's ride as well. I'm seriously hoping Shomik একবার দাম করে পড়বে। I'm pretty sure that this is going to happen very soon. Shomik will end up in the ground or maybe in there. So we want to continue the ride now because we have more bheris to explore, more kidneys of Kolkata to see. I remember this term for my entire life. Kidneys of Kolkata.
Kidneys of Kolkata.
তো নাম কি?
শুভ সাহা।
শুভ সাহা, কোথায় থাকিস? আরে এখান থেকে রাস্তা কত দূর? মেন রাস্তা?
মেন রাস্তা এখান দিয়ে এপার দিয়ে ঢুকে সিধা চলে যাবে, এপার দিয়ে গিয়ে এপারে যে গলিটা সিধা এপার দিয়ে গিয়ে
এই ডান দিকে। So we have a situation, a pretty bad situation right now. I have got flat tire. His bike's tire is also leaking.
শুধু বাইরের জিনিস আমার সাথে হয় না, ঠিক আছে? Karma is a bitch.
Shomik didn't crash. I was really hoping he will crash and I'll be able to shoot a nice video out of it to get more subscribers and likes, but he didn't crash. That's the sad part. And right now it's really not recommended to ride your bike when you have got a flat tire, but I do not have an option. So what I'm doing is I'm not going to sit on the seats, or I'm just going to ride like this. Sadly I cannot sit on the seats because if I sit on the seats, the bike's tube will be damaged permanently. I don't want that to happen. I have no freaking idea what this place is called, but whatever it is really nice. Look at this place. Looks really epic, man. Looks really epic. That is a beautiful view I'm seeing right now. This is the issue I have right now. To be very honest, I'm kind of confused because it's getting dark out here and there are no lights on this road. Even if the time we decide that we want to go out, the first thing will be in mind is we need to find the roads, the main roads, because this place is totally lights out. There are no street lamps, there are no lights or anything of that sort, but there is a fishing boat out here. About getting back home, if I can get a place where I can get my tires fixed, it will be nice, but if I cannot, then I really do not have any idea how I'm going to do it. তো রাইডটা কেমন লেগেছে ভাই?
ফাটাফাটি ভাই।
কতটা ফেটেছে?
টায়ারটা ফেটেছে ভাই।
আমার টায়ার তো ফেটেইছে, তোরও ফেটেছে, কিন্তু তোর পড়েই যাও ভাই। তোর কিন্তু অ্যাক্সিডেন্ট আর হলো না।
ও পুরো রাস্তাটা হেঁটে এসেছে, সাইকেল চালায়নি। কিছুটা হেঁটেছি, কিছুটা সাইকেল চালিয়েছি।
ওকে এরকম বলতে আমাকে পুরো রাস্তাটা লাস্টে এখন হাঁটাতে হবে।
তার প্রুফ হচ্ছে আমার হাতের কালি। আমার হাতের কালি ধুয়ে যাওয়া দেখ।
শ্রমিকের সাইকেলের চেন পড়ে গেছিল, যেটা ও নিজে তোলেনি।
আমি চেষ্টা করছিলাম,
এটা সারা জীবন মনে রাখতে হবে।
ট্রেন ধরে সাইকেল ধরে দাঁড়িয়েছিলাম।
So Dhapa Trail
চলে যাও ভাই, কিন্তু ওখানে কাদা যেন না হয়, ঠিক আছে?
Dhapa Trail is on the bucket list. Small bucket. This is not a bucket. So the plan right now is we are heading towards home, my home, and we have figured out that. Thank you, sir. We have figured out that we have to walk until we find a shop to repair the tires, which looks very improbable because it's around 8, and most of the shops are totally shut down. তুই রেড বুল নিতে পারতিস ভাই, একটু এনার্জি পেতাম।
মনস্টার না ওখান থেকে মাজা পেয়েছি, এটাই মানে।
So we have been asking a couple of people on the road like where to find the shop. They have told us that from that intersection we have to take a left. So it's 8:15 right now and I have good news and bad news to share. The bad news is that the tire couldn't be fixed. The tube is totally damaged. There was this big nail and nobody realized that it got punctured like that. We were thinking the valve was broken or something, but then it was a puncture, and because I rode in that condition, the entire tube is damaged right now. But there is a good news. I am near Kalikapur and I have to walk till Ojanagar to get Dipom cycle. So I'll take the cycle from Dipom to go home, and I'll keep my bike at his place. I'll collect it the next day, maybe tomorrow or day after, something like that. But as of now, we are going towards Ojanagar to meet Dipom and take his bike from his home. I hope that will be the safest way for me to reach home, and both of them have been pretty amazing helping me. Shomik especially, he has helped me a lot.
থ্যাংক ইউ, পরে বলবো।
Xavier is here. Hi Xavier, how are you?
ভগবান এরকমভাবেই আসে রাস্তায়, ঠিক আছে?
কান থেকে আটকে গেছে ভাই, যাচ্ছে না।
ভগবানের মাছ ঝুলছে শুধু, আর কিছুই না।
তুই যদি আজকে না আসতিস তাহলে কিন্তু আমি বাড়ি যেতে পারতাম না।
আমাকে কি খাওয়া
শোন না,
So I got the bike from Dipom and just what we needed right now. It's raining. It's fucking raining, and Shomik is very happy that he has got himself a raincoat. I'm seriously not happy. I am so tired. I'm exhausted to the core, and I have to ride this bike in the rain.
টাইম ওয়েস্ট করিস না,
যাচ্ছি তো ভাই।
ভিজে গেলে কেস খাবি।
I hope I reach home safe.
ছবির টাকা। If frustration
Had a face. If
আমাকে দেখা। Doesn't matter.
তুই বাড়ি যেতে যেতে পড়বি আজকে একবার।
ভাই
I feel so tired. I really feel tired. My legs are exhausted. I do not want to get drenched.
What happened today? A single piece of nail, this much nail has ruined everything.
A small piece of nail killed the entire
Tiny
N2.
nail has ruined everything.
Killed the entire N2 and everything of the ride.
And really it was a nice way.
Yeah man,
We missed it.
we were traveling on that seriously good trail. We were riding on that seriously good trail, and we wanted to go deeper into it and see more about the place, but then we could not do that. So end of the story, we had a semi-successful ride, not 100%, but then I can rate it 60-70%. The places were amazing. I am going to go there for sure again, and Abhishek is also going with me. We are planning to go someday in the morning. That would be better because no chances of getting dark and any issues. But I need to fix my bike before that. And Abhishek is the one who is going to fix my bike. So me, Abhishek and Shomik, we came together till Godia, and really thankful to Shomik and Abhishek because they walked the entire road with me. Like they didn't ride, they were just walking alongside me, so that was really good. And Dipom also, he helped me by giving me his cycle. So the best thing for me to do right now is get home, and that is the only thing I'm going to do right now. So I'll see you guys once I get home and make myself a nice cup of coffee. So it's 11:30 at night and I got home just about 30 minutes back, and what a day it was, man. What a day. Like, and I really think this would be the best time for me to completely end the video or wrap up the video, because it's time for me to finish my cup of coffee and then go off to sleep. I really need some good sleep now. As always, if you guys have enjoyed watching the video for any whatsoever reason, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Comment down your thoughts, whatever you have to say, be it good, be it bad. Comment down in the comment section below. I reply to every single comment I get, so it would be really nice for me to know someone new. Share this video among your friends because this is a new channel and it needs your support in it. Finally, if you are seeing my face and my videos for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that red button. Please subscribe. Although I failed to upload a video on this Sunday, but I can assure you a new video is coming in the midweek. So I'm going to see you guys real soon. Until then, take care of yourself, take care of the people around you, and I'll see you next time.